Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 C300 4MATIC. This one's iridium silver metallic. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. We've got front and rear LED daytime running lights, 17-inch split 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black Ambitex interior, panorama roof. Coming around back, we've got a rear spoiler, C300 4MATIC badging. Set all season floor mats. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 3 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist. An LED logo which appears when you open the door. A burl walnut wood trim. Burmeister sound system. Heated seats. Memory seats. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Paddle shifters for extra performance. A push start ignition. Navigation. Rear view backup camera. Dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, cup holders, touchpad, and wheel for our infotainment center. Dynamic selects for different driving patterns. We've got Sport, Sports Plus, Individual, Comfort, and Eco. This C300 has 9,048 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmannimports.com.